Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea powder at home. First, select fresh, high-quality tea leaves, as the final product's flavor depends heavily on this initial choice. Next, carefully wash the leaves to remove any dirt or impurities, then ensure they are completely dry before moving to the next step. This preparation is crucial for a clean and flavorful tea powder, setting the foundation for your homemade blend. Once your tea leaves are clean, the next critical step is drying them thoroughly. You can air dry them on a clean tray in a well-ventilated spot, which might take a few days. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, can speed up the process significantly. It is essential that the leaves are completely dry and brittle to prevent any mold or spoilage during storage. With your tea leaves perfectly dry, it is time to transform them into a fine powder. A dedicated spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder works wonderfully for this task. Grind the leaves in small batches to prevent the machine from overheating, which could affect the tea's delicate flavor. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a consistent, smooth texture, regrinding any larger pieces. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness and potency of your homemade tea powder. Store it in an airtight container, ideally made of glass, and keep it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and moisture. For the best flavor, aim to use your tea powder within 3 to 6 months. When brewing, simply add about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of powder per 8 ounces of hot water.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.